Have you ever wished you could go back in time and buy Palantir when it was trading for just a few dollars? Because today we're diving deep into 4 AI defense stocks under $10 that could explode next and possibly become the next Palantir. So grab your notes, because by the end of this video, you'll know which of these stocks could transform a small position into a life-changing gain. Number 4, Veritone Incorporated, ticker VERI, the data refinery powerhouse. Let's start with a company that's been flying under the radar but quietly redefining how data is processed across industries. Veritone Incorporated, trading around $5.54 per share and already up 68% year-to-date. Veritone has become a rising favorite among AI-focused investors. But why? Because it's not just another AI company chasing hype. It's building real revenue-generating technology that connects both the defense and commercial worlds, just like Palantir did in its early years. Veritone's core strength lies in its AI-aware operating system, a platform capable of running hundreds of AI models simultaneously to analyze massive amounts of unstructured data in real time. Think about the oceans of surveillance footage, intercepted communications, and reports generated daily by defense agencies. Veritone's AI can sift through all that chaos in seconds, spotting threats faster and more accurately than any human analyst. Bold hook. That's not just efficiency, that's power. But Veritone's reach doesn't stop at defense. In the commercial space, broadcasters use its technology to tag and organize content automatically, cutting production costs while boosting profits. This dual market strategy, defense and enterprise, creates stability in all market cycles. What's fueling investor excitement even more is that analysts like Jason Colbert of Boral Capital have raised Veritone's price target from $6 to $26, signaling massive confidence in its growth. If Veritone captures even a slice of the $1 billion AI data refining market, today's sub-$6 price could look like an absolute bargain in hindsight. Simply put, Veritone is building the digital refinery for the AI revolution, and smart investors are starting to notice. Number 3, BigBear.ai Holdings, ticker BBAI, the military's predictive brain. Next up is a company that sounds like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, BigBear.ai. While most AI startups are talking about the future, BigBear.ai is already helping the US Department of Defense make smarter, faster, real-time decisions. Its technology is all about predictive analytics, using AI to anticipate events before they happen. In warfare, that can mean the difference between success and disaster. Bold hook. Imagine an AI that can predict the enemy's next move before it happens. That's BigBear.ai. The company's AI platform processes massive datasets to deliver actionable intelligence instantly. It supports commanders and analysts in mission-critical situations, giving them the edge in decision-making under pressure. While its stock has seen volatility, that's typical for early-stage innovators. What matters is the direction, and BigBear.ai's direction is up. The company recently secured major defense contracts that validate its technology and provide steady, high-margin revenue streams. But here's where things get exciting. Just like Palantir, BigBear.ai is leveraging these government partnerships to expand into commercial markets, applying its predictive analytics to logistics, finance, and healthcare. That dual-use model is what helped Palantir grow from a defense contractor to a multi-billion-dollar tech leader. Analysts believe as BigBear.ai refines its AI tools and deepens its government relationships, it could become a serious contender in the evolving world of defense-focused AI. At under $10 a share, it's a speculative play, but one with enormous potential upside. Number 2, Redwire Holdings, ticker RDW, the AI space infrastructure giant. Now, this next pick is where things get truly futuristic. Redwire Holdings, an AI-driven space infrastructure company trading under $10. Unlike Veritone or BigBear, Redwire doesn't just work on Earth. It's building the backbone for AI-powered operations in space. Its technology provides autonomous control systems for satellites, real-time mission analytics, and AI-driven anomaly detection, all crucial for national defense and commercial missions. Bold hook. When you're helping satellites think for themselves, you're not following the future, you're creating it. Redwire's integration of AI into space systems puts it at the heart of the next big frontier, space defense and surveillance. The company's partnerships with NASA and the US Department of Defense validate both its innovation and credibility in this high-barrier industry. Financially, Redwire is scaling fast. Long-term contracts provide predictable cash flow, and its unique blend of AI plus space infrastructure gives it a rare edge. Just like Palantir benefited from being mission-critical to defense operations, Redwire's tech is essential for space-based monitoring, and that's a moat few competitors can cross. As space becomes the new battleground for intelligence and communication, Redwire's positioning could turn it into the Palantir of outer space, a company operating at the intersection of data, defense, and the cosmos. Number 1, RedCat Holdings, ticker RCAT. the drone intelligence disruptor. Finally, the fourth stock, and perhaps the most exciting underdog on this list, RedCat Holdings. This company is leading the way in AI-powered drone technology, combining advanced hardware with smart software to serve both military and commercial needs. Its drones are used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and real-time intelligence, giving defense forces a major tactical advantage. But here's the real kicker. RedCat's AI integration allows its drones to think on the fly. They can autonomously navigate, detect objects, and analyze data mid-flight, sending instant intelligence back to command centers. Bold hook. These aren't just drones, they're flying analysts. Recent contracts with U.S. defense agencies have boosted the company's credibility, while its next-generation drone platforms are capable of operating in some of the world's harshest environments. And it's not just about defense. RedCat's drone intelligence also extends to commercial markets like agriculture, infrastructure inspection, and emergency response. This dual-use technology mirrors Palantir's success model. Government funding builds stability, while commercial expansion fuels exponential growth. Financially, RedCat is still in the early monetization phase, but with AI-powered drones expected to dominate global defense spending, analysts see huge room for growth. Its low market cap makes it a classic asymmetric play: small risk, massive upside. If RedCat captures even a fraction of the defense drone market, it could easily become one of the decade's most explosive small-cap stories. There you have it, 4 AI defense stocks trading under $10 that have the potential to become the next Palantir, Veritone, BigBear.ai, Redwire, and RedCat Holdings. Each company is fusing artificial intelligence with defense, national security, and real-world problem-solving, exactly the formula that made Palantir a global force. While these are still early-stage plays and come with risk, their technology, partnerships, and positioning suggest something much bigger is brewing beneath the surface. Bold hook. The next Palantir won't just analyze data, it will defend nations, guide satellites, and think in real time. If you're an investor who's willing to look beyond short-term volatility and focus on the future of defense intelligence, these names deserve a spot on your radar, and maybe even your portfolio watch list. Now tell me this, which of these 4 AI defense stocks do you think has the best shot at becoming the next Palantir? Drop your pick down in the comments. I'll be reading every single one. And if you found value in this deep dive, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and smash the like so you never miss our next breakdown on the hottest emerging AI opportunities. Because the next Palantir moment could be happening right now, and you'll want to be there when it does.